Hey everyone, let's talk about Kiro AI and what it's actually like to use it in real life. Kiro AI is designed to help with writing, brainstorming, and everyday productivity, and it positions itself as a simple, friendly AI tool rather than something overly technical or complicated. From the first time you open it, the focus is clearly on speed and ease of use. What stands out about Kiro AI is how conversational it feels. You can type naturally, almost like you're chatting with a friend, and it responds in a way that feels relaxed and human. It's especially useful for generating ideas, rewriting text, summarizing content, or helping you get past creative blocks. If you're stuck staring at a blank page, Kiro AI is good at giving you that first push. For content creators and students, Kiro AI can be a solid daily companion. It handles short-form writing, captions, simple scripts, and explanations pretty well. You don't need to spend time crafting perfect prompts either, 'cause it generally understands what you mean even if your input is casual or messy. That makes it approachable for people who are new to AI tools. Of course it's not perfect. For very complex or highly technical tasks, you may notice that the answers are more surface level and might need refinement. It's not trying to replace advanced professional tools, and once you understand that, it makes more sense. Kiro AI shines most when you use it for quick thinking, light writing, and everyday assistance. The overall experience feels smooth and stress-free. You're not overwhelmed with features, buttons, or settings, which is actually a good thing for many users. It's the kind of AI you can open multiple times a day without feeling like you're working too hard. In the end, Kiro AI is a practical, friendly AI tool that focuses on helping you think faster and write better without getting in your way. If you're looking for something simple, accessible, and useful for daily tasks, it's definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video. Subscribe for more honest AI reviews, and drop a comment with the next tool you want me to review.